These are the 1MII wireless noise canceling stereo headphones. The company sent these to me so I could check them out. Let's open it up and see what's inside here. So it's packaged up really nicely. It got some nice branding on here. It tells you a lot about the headphones on the outer packaging, and it's packaged in plastic wrap here. So let's just open this up. So you can see here, it just shows about the noise canceling on the side. It just goes in the back about the feedback, unparalleled sound quality, folding design, wired support, the long time play, but just nice packaging here. So let's open it up. It just folds open just like this. Let's say it's got a QR code if you want to activate it here or something. Maybe get some more information. And then here we got the quick start guide. Just another instruction manual. So let's like a bag if you want to store them up in here. It's got their logo on here. Nice little bag here. We got the wiring here. We got a USB to USB-C. And this is the wiring if you want to use a hardwired option on here. So these are wired and wireless headphones too, so you could use both options here. So this is what they look like right here. This is the black color. It does come in other colors, but this is the black version right here. You'd see really, it's got their logo on the side right here. High-res audio wireless. It's got the buttons right here. It's got the USB-C right here. You can see this is just a really nice design here. See, this is L. This is R. It's really high quality here. So if you're looking to get away from like AirPods or you're just looking for some over-ear headphones, this looks like a really nice option. Again, it comes with the cords, the case here, but these fold up really nice. So you could fold it up just like this, store them up. And then just really great headphones here. Long battery life. The information says it lasts up to 75 hours. And as little as 10 minutes of charge will give you 5 hours of play. So, or I'm sorry, 10 minutes of charge will give you 5 hours of play. So again, wired or wireless, so you get a long time out of this charge here. So these are really nice. So if you're looking for a set of wired and wireless headphones, I would absolutely give these a shot. They look like a really nice set here.